congrats card. You guys can see that. I'm just zoom in a little bit and like go out with it. Also, you get I'm not gonna show this up. Oh no, yeah. This just tells you again what you can use and stuff, what you can buy. You guys can see that.
One more, dude.
So there's that. So let's get into the so this orange one right here, step number 1. I'm just gonna show you it all now so I don't have to do this again. Because the focusing is not really good. It is, but it's just not. There we go. So there's that. So the orange one is, and you can see it right here. Orange. And that's this one right here. I don't know, give me a second. There we go, there's orange. And that one is a light absorbent micro liner. So you get a micro liner. The green one is a very light absorbent liner. The blue one is a light absorbent thin shape pad. So that's all for the first, and you also get, like I said, the coupon. Whoops. You also get the coupon and this cute little bags that that tells like the orange, green, and the teal, and it's like orange, green, and teal. It matches the bag, so you get a cute bag that goes with all of that. With the 3 samples that you get, 3 samples, right? So let's just put that back in the bag and let's get into, because there's 3 there's the 1, 2, 3. You get the 4, and then I guess this is number 5. So you get 5 steps or 4 steps with this one. The rest of them in there. So we'll open that one last, since it's the last step. We're just gonna put all this stuff in here.
Come on, I hit the knife.
The way it was, and get ready to use those when we start our moon. But so there was the number 1 through 3 from Poise, and I'll put all the links down below. So there's that again, the one we just did. The second, number 4, just number 4. This one's thicker than this one. This one's skinnier, but this one's thicker. So let's get with number 4. And again, the bag is blue and pink, and it regulates the bag. The bag, blue and pink, blue and pink. It's a very cute bag. I like it. Very cute. And we're just gonna open this up, pull everything out so I can show you. And again, it comes with the coupon, the congrats card, and what each is each. So I'm just gonna put that in the bag back in here. And the first one is the I'm just gonna get a close up on that real quick so you guys can see what that is. Can you guys see that? So we're gonna be doing the blue one first and then the pink. So all right, let's get started. The blue one is I know you guys read it already, but I'll read it again. A thin shape moderate pad, so there's that one. And then you guys got the original moderate pad right here. All right. So we're just gonna put those back in here and get on with the big box. Zip this baby up. Put this back on. And let's get on. So remember, 1 through 3, 4, and now the big boy. We got the big boy going. You see how big this is? Look at how big. I don't even think these are samples. I think this is like an actual thing. I know I already did it and know what's in it. But if I didn't, I would think this was like a whole box full of them. So it says, I hate free stuff. Said no one ever. You guys can see that. Because you know we all love free stuff. And again, it's by Kotex. So this is what it looks like inside. Along with the samples you requested, we included some fun freebies to help your period a little better, which is what the Period Project is all about. You by Kotex, working with women like you create real change, both big and small. Be sure to check out the latest hashtag period on youbykotex.com. So let's see what's in. Uh-oh, I'm dropping them. All right, so you get the not 1, not 2, but 4 tampons. You get I'm thinking this is either super or small. There's an S on it, if you guys can see that. And then you get a regular. So you get 4 tampons. You get, let me see, you get the coupon as well. You also get, 2 beautiful designed panty liners. Those are so cute. I think those are just so cute. I like this one better, the design, but they're both look good. But this one's my favorite. I'll give you a close-up on that. On both of them. So there's those. So 2 panty liners, 4 tampons, 4. The coupon. The coupon. You also get a I'm not gonna show this, but it tells you how to use them. Just a quick look at that. It shows you how to use them if you don't know how to. You're just a starter, barely learning or barely starting. You also get a contacts.
25 off my ring. No, no!
Important to read before use. So you get contacts.
I'm all smart with my ring.
You get before use, important before use. You get oh, and I thought this was very neat. You don't only get the tampons. I don't know if you guys can guess what these are, but you don't get 1, you get 4 of them. And they are, guess what they are? Boom! Color pages. I love to color. I'll give you a close-up on each one. There's the first one.
Watch out, boss, he's right there.
Here's the second one. The third. Last but not least, the fourth. So there's those. Those there for these ones are my favorite too, but I do love them all. Those are my favorite too. I love these ones as well, but I love this type of artwork. So that's really cool. 4 coloring pages. 4 tampons. 2 liners.
Stop it.
A coupon.
Yeah.
How to use.
Ah.
And contacts. That is a lot of stuff right there. So I'm going to just put everything back in here. And look at that. It's pink, my favorite color.
No.
And then it says right here, if you hear it, let us know. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I'm just going to put all that stuff back in here and let's get started with the next sample. So we're just going to put all those back in there and try not to break the coloring pages. Put everything back in there however you want. It doesn't really matter. They're going to be used anyway. Put those back in there and brand new. Shut that. Let's get on to the next. Along with those. That's done. Let's get on to the next sample. The next sample we have here is a I have cats, so the next sample I have here is a look at how big this box is. It's a pretty big box.
How come nobody protected our barn?
I think. Anyway, it's Purina ONE new tender selection blend with grilled chicken, delicious crunchy bites, meaty tender, more cells, and it's the new type right here, new. And I have 2 tabby cats, so they're gonna try this out and see what they like, and see if they like it. I'm pretty sure they will, but. There's that. I'm not going to show you my address or anything, but there's the back. Give you a little close up on the top view of the Nutrition and filters. There's that kitty right here again, same as this little kitty. So let's open this. And I'll probably do it off camera to see how they like it, but we'll see if they like it, and I'll leave down below if they did or not, or in the next video if they did like it. And I'll just probably do it in the next video to see how I did like all of these. And let's open it. It says samples inside. So we're just gonna pop that open, and we're just gonna open this up. Look at that. I like this part right here. So there's that. And I don't know if these are treats or if it's just the, and it's a pretty good sized bag. So what you get is just like this little book, a coupon. You get here it is, the book or the coupon book. Here's the back. Here's the one side. And here's your coupon. A $2 off coupon, $2 save. And it's a very good size. Look at, look at, I took out look at how good this size is. Look at that. And then I took this out, and look at, you got a cute kitty. Oh, and he's looking up at the food. Look. You see that? She said, give me some. I think I want to keep this. It's cute. Anyways, look at how big that sample is. Let me see how many. It's a 6 ounce. Pretty good. Exactly what I read on the top. Tender sliced blend with grilled chicken, delicious crunchy bites, meaty tender morsels. And let's get you a close up on that. So here it is right here. It's filled up to about right here. Pretty good. I think that's more than a sample. But here's that. And they're going to be trying that out today or whenever. And see how they like it. So here's the bag. Just tells you the stuff, what's in it, and whatever. So there's that. One last look before this goes back into the box. All right, thank you, Purina. And again, I'm not sponsored, so I'm not making any money off of this, any of this. We're just gonna put that back in the box and put it aside so we can finish these samples. The next one I got was from L'Oreal. L'Oreal. You guys can see that. There we go, L'Oreal. And here's the back. All right, let's get this open. It's a perfect hydration Hydra-Nutrition from L'Oreal Skin Expert Paris.
Stop it!
So we're just gonna open this up. Discover your intensely nutrition remain for mature thinning skin. So if you guys have thinning skin, there you go. You guys, we also get, okay, so there's the thing that it was in. All right, so you get not only one but three. You get 3 samples of 3 different things. You get the eye. You get the eye.
Dang it! What are you
The
doing?
face.
Stop!
And the moisturizer. So you get all 3 of those samples.
Stop.
You guys can see that. There we go. And just the front, our first facial oil with sunscreen. The Science Precious Oils is what it says right here. Skin feels more resilient. Age perfection, Hydra-Nutrition, and instant nutrition remain for mature thinning skin. Same thing as I said, and there's that, the front of it. Again with the back, if you guys can see that. You guys can see that. Alright, so we're gonna try this out. I think I might give this to my mom. It's a eye balm, a facial oil with sunscreen. Okay, the eye is the eye balm. Treat eye balm. Treat face is a new facial oil with sunscreen, and the moisturizer is a golden balm. So I'm gonna have her try that, and we'll see how she likes it. And alright, and in my next video, I'll tell you about how I liked all these samples. And I will link the link below. So I'm just going to put that back in its case and get on with the next sample. So now that that one's done, let's get on to the next sample. Alright. So, this next one right here, I don't even think it's a sample. I think it's the actual thing. Because, I mean, come on, look at how big this is. Do you guys think this is a sample? I don't think it's a sample. But it just tells you 30 grams of protein, 160 calories, and 1 gram of sugar. Packed with protein, no sugars or calories. So it says, share good energy. Tell us about your primary protein experience. Hashtag #MyGoodEnergy. I forgot to tell you guys what this is. It's a premier protein shake. I'm guessing it's chocolate because that's what the top of the thing says right there. Well, it looks like. So let's open this baby up. And thank you, Primary Protein, and all of you guys sending me the samples. So first, we're just gonna take out the little stuff first, and I'll show you guys the sample right now. So you guys are gonna get a $2 off coupon of your protein shakes. Then you guys are gonna get like a little brochure telling you guys about it. There's that. Now let's get on with the sample. Oh yeah. Look at that. It's not even a sample. That's like the whole thing. So there's that. There's the back showing you all the goodies that they have inside of it. Alright, so there's that. Thank you, Premier Protein Shake. We're going to be trying this out and see how we like it. We're just going to put everything back in its thing and get on with the next sample. Alright, that's done. Let's get on to the other one. I'm running out here, getting low. Alright. So, I also have these, Breathe Right strips. Breathe Right strips. If you guys can see that, Breathe Right. So let's get that open. And let's see what these are. For those who don't know what Breathe Right strips are, they just go on your nose and help you breathe better. Breathe better. It says breathe better, sleep better. Breathe Right nasal strips, lavender scented strips, drug free, tooth-free strips, common lavender fragrance, new. So here's what that is right there, what I just read. And this is what they look like right here. I'm gonna open it, not fully open it, but I'm going to be taking it out of the pack. I'm not sure I should take it out of the pack to like break its thing or something. But it says, anyways, how to Breathe Right nasal strip works. Built with an extra spring-like band to help you breathe even better. Clinically proven to instantly open your nasal passages so you can breathe easily. And basically it's just telling you how to put it on, where to put it on. For those like me, I never tried these. So we're just going to see how these work, and they're lavender, so it's going to calm you and soothe you and allow you to sleep 1,000 times better and to breathe better as well. So there's those. I'm not gonna open them, but if you guys can see that right here, and just tells you guys how to put them on and stuff. So there's that. I'm not gonna open them, but I will probably I'm gonna tell you guys how they work and stuff. So I'm just gonna put that in the back in its sample thing and get on to the next one. So right, I'm a Christian lady. For those who don't know me, I do believe in Jesus. I'm Christian. I had opened this once before in the very first. It's a Grace to You book, and what you do, it's from John MacArthur, and it's a gospel according to Jesus. What is authentic faith? So there's that. I think that's the book I'm going to be getting, or I think that's what this mail is right here, to show you to put the application in and to receive it to my door. So let's read this really quick. Not like just read it, just skim through it. And this is John MacArthur right here. If you guys don't know who he is, there he is right there, John MacArthur. Basically, it's just telling you about who he is, a founder of Presidents to Grace to You, has served as a pastor teacher for Grace Community Church in Sun Valley, California since 1969. The emphasis of his ministry is the careful studies and verse by verse exposition of the Bible, with special emphasis on the historical, grammar background of each passage. I don't know what that word is right there. I can't read it. It's grammatical or something. Grammatical. Anyways, in addition to teach the Bible of the international radio and television program Grace to You, John has written several dozen books, including the Gospel According to Jesus, Strange Fire, Ambushed of the Gospel, The Murder of Jesus, Hard to Believe, Parables, and One Perfect Life, 12 Ordinary Men, The Battle. And look, there's one of my cats who's going to be trying one of the foods. The other one is all orange. Anyways, Hard to Believe, Parables, One Perfect Life, 12 Ordinary Men, The Battle for the Beginning, The Glory of Heaven, Safe in the Arms of God, the MacArthur Study Bible, and the now completed MacArthur New Testament commentary series. His sermons have been distributed by millions on CD and tape, and the tens of millions via free MP3 downloader by Grace to You. John also served as president in the Master College and seminary in the Los Angeles area. He and his wife Patricia have 4 grown children and 15 grandchildren. And then it says, yeah, so this is just saying, request your free copy today. That's what that is. You guys can see that. And then on the back, it just tells us why Grace to You teaches the Bible, keeping you connected with the biblical truth, and that's pretty much it. So thank you, John MacArthur, for sending me this. I'm going to be ordering your book and checking it out. So, again, that was that. And then this, I'm pretty sure this is just congratulations. Thank you for your interest in the ministry. To grace to you. We're excited to welcome you to our family and believe that God has great things in store. He allows us to serve you. He allows us to serve you and the people you care about. And then basically just going on about the church. And I said it, the church was in California. Okay, the Bible teachings of John MacArthur is Panorama City, California. So it is in California. And I'll leave the link down below. And this is what they sent me to get my free book order. Whoops. And then you just send it in this mail and boom, you get your book. Anyways, also further note, also without even having to fill this out, I actually got 2 books already sent to me. I'm guessing that's what these are. There's 2 separate ones and they're heavy. So let's open these up. This also goes with the Grace to You by John MacArthur. So let's open these up and see what they are. And yeah, I think these are books, but oh no, they're CDs. So that's cool. So we got a Grace to You mail desk. I think this is just for commission. Like you give your offering. I should say not commission, your offering. These are offerings. If you guys know what that is and go to church, you guys will see them with the bucket and you put money in the envelope and write your information if you want stuff to be sent to you, or even just to get emailed if there's new upcoming events or whatever. So you give your offering to the Lord. And I actually, not one, but I got 2. It says, who is God's candidate? Part 1 and part 2. Who is God's candidate? So those are tapes I'm going to be checking out and leaving in in the next video what I thought of them. So there's the first one. The second one, let's see, and this is our last sample for today. You guys are probably like, dang, that's it. I'm like, done. That's it. So again, another offering. And this one is Why Integrity Matters. 2 Corinthians 5:11 through 15. John MacArthur, if you guys want to read that. 2 Corinthians 5:11 through 15. So if you guys don't know the Bible way to read it, it goes 2 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 11 through 15. If you guys don't know how to read it, I told you guys in a better way to read it. And there it is, 2 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 11 through 15. If you guys didn't catch that, I said it again. I'm going to open up the other one and see what that chapter is because I didn't even notice it. Oh yeah, and this one is selected scriptures. Again, selected scriptures with part 1 and part 2, so it just looks the same. It's the same, all it is, it's just part 1. And part 2, I'm pretty sure you guys can see that, but there it is. All right. Thank you, Grace, to you. Thank you to all of my free samples. Thank you for sending me all my free samples, you guys. I really appreciate it. I'll be letting you know in my next video how I did like them, and I'll leave the link down below to all the um all the links down below to where I got these, how I found them. So thank you. You guys have a nice day. Bye.